Boom. Okay, we got lots of things going on here. Let's pause this. Let's pause this. You can hear me. I like it. This show is edutainment, education, entertainment, not to be taken as financial advice. I missed this on yesterday. Yesterday, Monday, here was a holiday. We were away. I did a little trading in the morning. Didn't do so well. Should have just took the day off. But today, back with the vengeance. So, we're doing good today. So we're going to do 2 shows. Right now and then later. So we're going to fast forward this show. Boom! Hey, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon-Luth. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. Bam! Just like that. We're going to do back-to-back shows right now. It's supposed to be Monday. Ooh, it's supposed to be Monday, but it's Tuesday. We're talking about Nike. I would say go to the investor relations page, but we're going to build this show as we go. So we got 8 minutes to do it. And you're going to watch me build this as I go. I know this is not the right time. This is not the right picture. Boom. So we're talking about positional traders. People are buying and holding Nike. Let's see how it's done. Let's zoom in here. Not a lot has changed. It's still downside. Price back in January has moved below the moving average. The sellers took control back in January as well. We got a double clear signal that people were exiting this stock and just dumping it in January. So that's not that's changed. Your dollar cost averaging from 170 or 179 all the way down to 100. Like 40% drop. Bam. So you buy and hold investors should have got out. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's still not too late because this hasn't even curled yet. So, but let's take a look inside this candle. Has there been some opportunities? So again, we're gonna look at our wonderful daily chart. No, that's intraday. We're gonna go here to our daily chart, and we're going to switch this up from Nextera to Nike, and we're going to zoom in here. So I'm looking over here. We're using Bollinger Bands specifically to track volatility, right? It's a great tool. Love to use it. And I love that there's a 20 moving average. See that little green line right here? That's a 20 simple moving average. So you would have had the opportunity to buy on May 12th. That was probably like a week and a half ago. As you can see, it's kind of gone up. It's kind of come back down as well. It's not totally at the bottom of our Bollinger Band, so it's hanging out in the middle, but it is definitely on the way down. So I would say, like any good investor, you have to wait until it gets and touches around 100, and then shoot maybe back up, trying to touch 114 as it did with this nice little doji candle. But you're going to have to do it when the strength is up there, because look at that. There is no strength. I'm going to change that from a green circle to a red circle. Not a lot of strength. And here, momentum, again, it's in the red and it's way down there. Not a lot of momentum. So that green line for the MACD is still heading down, and also you can tell that the sellers have control. So man, you're on the cycle right now down to this 100. Is it a strong level? Will it bounce? I think we're going to get another bounce at 104, 105-ish. But if it breaks through this level, you're headed for 100. And hopefully with a buy opportunity for a little bit of a bounce. So you would take those profits real quick. All right, let's move on to our intraday, because I don't have any news with Nike. Don't know what's happening there, but we're going to change this to the intraday, and let's see what we can do within this day right here. We're going to go boom. So we're giving love to all these charts. These are the people that are looking at news catalysts. Today we had some social media stocks flush to the bottom, but that doesn't really affect Nike. So let's take a look at this. We're going to take a Fibonacci. That's what we're doing. This is a leading indicator. We're taking the lows. We're going to take the highs. We're going to try to match these Fibonacci's up to a great level. I think even that is a better level. Look at that. I think that's a truer level right there. And we'll just drop it. Drop it like it's hot. And then we're going to zoom in. So it's definitely at the bottom range of our Fibonacci's. And we're definitely in a bottom channel right here. Like I said, the floor is at 104. Are we going to test that again? As you can see, it's kind of bouncing, but it's going to bounce between these two. The VWAP, which is our volume weighted average, 105, and to 104. That's only $1 swing. Is it gonna pierce up, pierce down? My bet. But today, oh, you can't see that there, can you? Right next to the Nike sign right here, you'll see that it's already down 3% for the day. Other things are dropping 3%. So does it have room to go down? This is a pretty strong floor, but I think it's going to try to retest this and push down. As this is bouncing off VWAP, it's respecting it, so it's going to channel down. So I think we're going to have to look for the next level down here. Like I said, can we hit 100 today? From 3% down to another 100? I don't think it's realistic. So I think we might look at, 104.50, 104.50, or 104 as being your next down as well. So with that, you intraday traders, you know that you're facing this strong VWAP. You're going to bounce off that as your highs today, and the whole market is going to the downside. So not a lot of hope for you there. With that said, we're rolling the outro because we're going to get to another show right here. Just like that. Ooh. And we still got to build this, so I'm going to build it and then I'm going to drop it like it's hot. Watch this. Bam! Just like that. Nike change. I don't know what I'm doing with my face right here. Trying to give a kiss? Maybe. Doing something like that. Alright. The munchkins are kind of coming down because they're hearing us. Finishing this coffee. Finishing off this show. And we're going to catch you on the next show as well.
Hello!
Hi. You know what? We missed this show is for yesterday, because yesterday, where were we? They can't even see you.
In Whistler.
That's right. So we didn't do the show, but Daddy was working, but totally forgot that we should do the show, right?
Okay, adios.
Adios. Peace. We're going to roll on to our next show right here. Peacing out on Nike. You know what it is for today. Sorry we didn't post it yesterday, but we're doing a live version for you today. And now we're going to roll on to the next thing. Today we're doing Pfizer. Peace.